In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign a task in Asana using two easy methods. Asana is a powerful tool for project management that helps teams organize and track their work. Whether you're new to Asana or looking to streamline your workflow, learning how to assign tasks effectively is a crucial step. Let's dive right in and explore these methods together. First, let's get started by opening up your web browser and heading over to Asana's website at www.asana.com. On the homepage, look towards the top right corner for the login button and click on it to access your dashboard. If you haven't set up your Asana account yet, you'll see options like Get Started or Try for Free. Select one of these to create your account and follow the on-screen instructions to get into your dashboard. Now, the first method we're going to discuss involves assigning a task directly from the task itself. Start by navigating through your projects or task list until you find the specific task you want to assign. Click on this task, which will open up a right side panel full of details about the task. Here you'll notice something called the assignee field, usually indicated by a small person icon. When you hover over this icon, it allows you to click on the field. Doing so will enable you to type in the name or email address of the individual you want to assign the task to. As you type, Asana will suggest users that match your input. Just select the correct user from the drop-down list and voila, you've successfully assigned your task. Moving on to the second method, this time we'll be using the project list view. To do this, navigate over to your project's list view. Once you're there, locate the task you need to assign. You'll need to look for the column labeled assignee. If it's not immediately visible, you may need to adjust your column settings to bring it into view. After you've found the assignee column, hover over the empty space under assignee or over the name of the person currently assigned. Clicking in this area will open up a search box. As before, type the name of the team member you wish to assign the task to and select them from the drop-down suggestions. And there you have it. We've covered two simple yet effective methods to assign a task in Asana. Both techniques are highly intuitive and will help ensure that your team members know exactly what they're responsible for. Mastering these Asana features can make coordinating tasks much easier, enhancing your productivity and collaboration. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Asana tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy task managing.